And Mansoor Ali Khan Pataudy passed away in Delhi yesterday. He was 70 years old. The charismatic Nawab of Pataudy breathed his last at 5:55 p.m. yesterday evening in a Delhi hospital. As Tiger Pataudy rests in peace, Bollywood celebrities convey their heartfelt condolences to the Pataudy family.
Yeah, extremely sad, and like I just said, I had a very close bond with him because I've grown up watching. These are the cricketing heroes that I've grown up watching. I used to have his little picture. We used to collect all the posts. I mean, this much before your time, but I'm a big fan and an icon of Indian cricket. And apart from that, a gentleman and a friend's father. So it's a big loss, and I'm very saddened. For the last 2-3 days, I'd been hearing that he's not keeping well. I spoke with Saif also, and yeah, it's extremely sad. I wish and I pray to Allah, God bless his soul.
He's been such a fascinating, stylish sportsman and a great person. I think I was lucky enough to have spent a few days here at Pataudy with him, and I remember them very fondly.
Sharmila worked me in about 10-12 pictures. In the beginning, when she was in love with him, she used to tell me about him and talk a lot about him. But it's so sad he's not there. I feel sad for Saif, I feel sad for daughters, I feel sad for Sharmila. It's a sad thing.
Nawab Saab was very close. My mother knew his parents from the mother's side, and they were all together in Bhopal and stuff like that. And I have known Nawab Saab very well myself, and especially Saif and everybody, and Sharmila ji. My condolences, and I just want to tell Saif that we are there always for you.
It's a very sad news, but I just want to say that great lives and journeys which have inspired nations like this should not be mourned, they should be celebrated. I am deeply saddened, and my condolences to the family, the people who will miss his presence. My heart goes out to them, but I genuinely feel that he was a great man, and great lives such as his should be celebrated, not mourned.
नवाब साहब एकदम मतलब वो हमारे बीच में ही हैं, ऐसा लगता है. ऐसे लोग जो होते हैं, ऐसी शख्सियत जो होती हैं, वे कभी जाते नहीं. उनसे इतनी इंस्पिरेशन मिली है बचपन से अब तक, तो कभी बस फिजिकली नहीं है, बाकी इमोशनली तो वो हमेशा रहेंगे.
नहीं, आई थिंक वो बहुत ही बड़ी अजीम, बहुत ही बड़ी हस्ती थे, और उनका जाना पूरे देश के लिए एक दुख की बात है. इतने बड़े क्रिकेटर, इतने बड़े कप्तान हमारे कंट्री के रहे हैं, और फिर सैफ के ज़रिए हमारा उनसे एक अलग रिश्ता था, तो बहुत हम लोग दुख हैं अंदर से, और उसमें भागीदार हैं उनके दुख के.
It's very sad, and my condolences to the family, and we'll be missing a great personality. He was a guiding light for Indian cricket and a lot of other social institutions. I mean, my heartfelt condolences to the entire family.
Deeply saddened to hear the news of his demise. He was a legend, he was a cricketer, and one of the youngest captains, daredevil. People called him Tiger, and we'll miss him.
It's very unfortunate, and our deepest sympathies. ऐसे वक्त पे इससे ज़्यादा कुछ कहना शायद मुनासिब भी नहीं होगा.
I hope the family stays strong for each other, and it's a very sad day today for the whole country, for Indian cricket, and especially for their family. I wish them all the very best to deal with the fact.
It's unfortunate, it's just sad, and I think it's a great loss to the country and to the family, and yeah, I hope he rests in peace.
I think he was the first star of Indian cricket, a larger than life persona, a prince, married to a beautiful lady, amazing children, and it's a loss not only to the cricketing world but also to the people of this country who have seen him bringing a lot of glory to Indian cricket.
Time now for a short breather, but up next, get set to go Gaga, because Lady Gaga